We start by going into Settings, then About Phone. From there, look for the build number. On some devices, this may also be shown as the OS version. Tap on it repeatedly until developer options are unlocked. Once it's unlocked, go back and scroll down in Settings until you find Additional Settings. Open it, scroll down, and tap on Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, scroll all the way down and locate Disable Child Process Restrictions. Make sure this option is switched on. Now we can proceed to install GSpace. Make sure to scan the APK for security reasons. After installation and scanning, simply close everything. Next, press and hold the GSpace icon and tap on Info. Locate Other Permissions and enable only the Display pop-up windows option. Now we can open GSpace and enable the permissions needed for it to function correctly. Inside GSpace at the top, you will see the Sakura Scrolls sign. Tap on it to go to my website where you can download GG Arise. After we have downloaded Arise, we can scan and install it. Once that's done, close everything so we can reopen GSpace and add Arise inside. After you have added and opened Arise inside GSpace, make sure to enable the necessary permissions. In this case, you can remove any restrictions by enabling the first option. With that, GSpace and GameGuardian are all set up and ready to use. Additionally, if you want to add a functional store, you can download Aurora Store. As usual, scan and install it, then add it to GSpace. Grant the necessary permissions so the store can run properly. You have two options. You can add a Google account or use it anonymously. Once that's done, you're ready to go. A quick clarification about GSpace. GSpace is not a virtual machine or an emulator. Apps still run on your real Android system and kernel. GSpace simply provides an isolated container with some services injected. This allows apps to function as expected without heavy overhead. Running a full virtual machine on weaker hardware often causes lag. The positive part is that GSpace is much faster than a virtual machine. It also uses far fewer resources. This includes CPU usage, battery consumption, and overall system load.